Didn't change my name for good love, it just happened to be mine. Didn't ask for any reason or any of your time. I don't need your advertising, I don't seek for diamond eyes. I don't fit in your perfection, I don't fit into your life. But to you, my darling, for you I truly sing. For you, my crazy babe, I would do just anything just to get close to you. And the other night you made me dance, but now I act insane. I try to find a reason, and I try not to be strange. And I think that it's funny, cause I'm nowhere near like you. You made of me a villain, but baby that's not true. And I'm searching for my pride again, as I'm hunting for your eyes again. But you're nowhere to be found tonight. Shall I wait in every morning light? So until that day is mine. So is it me, the one who's out of sight? Am I running out of time? Do you want to see me prison, yet to guide you through the night? Is your vision to be safe and told that everything's alright? When the whole damn world knows about the danger of this tide, well then, I'd come back for you. Yes, I would come back to you, knowing you would walk away, knowing you would walk away. So until that day is mine, and though you might not well remember me, or act like you're surprised when everyone's surrounding you, but darling, that don't mind. Just turn around and look at me when you pass me in the eye. I'll still hold 1,000 doors for you to just talk to you, so I could get close to you. And why won't you see me through, knowing I would never leave, knowing I would never leave. So until that day is mine, darling, I would wait for you. I would wait for you. I would wait for you. And why won't you see me through? Just see me through. I would wait for you.